Welcome to Recom's Powerful Podcast, where we discuss new topics and products. I'm Jeff Deutschman, your product moderator. From a quarter watt up to 1,000 watts, whether the power is required for an industrial setting, a new IoT gadget, or a high-end medical-grade device, Recom has you covered. On this episode, we'll be discussing Recom's RBB10. Peter, what can you tell us about this converter?
Well, Jeff, the RBB is a non-isolated buck-boost DC-to-DC converter.
Okay, for those of us who aren't as smart as you, what do you mean by buck boost?
Sure, so a buck converter takes a high voltage and turns it into a lower one. A boost converter will increase the input voltage. A buck boost can do both, so the input voltage can be higher, lower, or the same as the output voltage.
Very impressive. So what kind of voltages can the RBB10 regulate?
This converter has an input voltage range of 2.3 volts up to 5.5 volts. This makes it ideal for regulating batteries.
Okay, that's good on the input range. What about the output voltage?
Yeah, so the RBB10 comes with a standard 5 volt output. This can be adjusted down to 1 volt and up to 5.5 volts by using external trimming resistors. The max output current goes all the way up to 4 amps.
Outstanding. What's the footprint look like for this one?
Good question, Jeff. These converters are offered in a compact SMD package with a footprint of only 12 by 12 millimeters.
Okay, so that's less than a quarter square inch. This is very similar to the RPM, is it not?
Nice catch. From a mechanical standpoint, the RBBs are similar to the RPMs. They have great thermal performance, which is a result of careful PCB design and a 25-pad LGA layout. The RBB can operate at temperatures just above 100 degrees Celsius and boasts an efficiency of up to 96%.
Okay, from an electrical point of view, how do these differ from the RPMs?
Yeah, good point. The RPMs are a buck converter, while the RBB is a buck boost converter. It is the only non-isolated buck boost Recom currently offers.
What kind of applications should we be looking for?
So these are great for regulating battery voltages. For example, a lithium-ion battery starts around 4 volts and will drain down to 3 volts during its use. The RBB can regulate a constant output during the entire life of one of these batteries.
Okay, so these are good with batteries, but will they help extend the battery life?
Yeah, they sure will, and this is due to their high efficiency as well as their low standby consumption of only 7 microamps. Not a lot of energy is wasted here.
What other applications should we be looking for?
Sure, so these can also be used as a 5-volt stabilizer for USB 3.1 power systems.
Okay, very nice. What about IoT?
Yeah, the RBB10 is also a great fit for IoT. It has 6-sided shielding to optimize EMC performance. As you know, EMC is always a major barrier when designing for IoT applications.
Fantastic. That should mean a lot of potential opportunities for these. Peter, thank you for discussing another quality Recom converter. Well, that wraps it up for another episode of Recom's Powerful Podcast. Be sure to listen next time when we delve into the pros of another Recom topic. As always, please contact your regional sales manager for any samples or pricing. Our applications engineers are always happy to assist you with any technical questions or requests. You can email them at techsupport@recom-power.com. Until then, have a great day and always remember,
Recom powers your products.